What the brap is up, everybody? Cody with Two Wheels and a Tent. And yes, I was just on an adventure. And I thought I'd do just a small, short little video that I could throw up since I didn't get one up Friday. This is just going to be a little drive through Moab during something that I hope will soon be a memory, the COVID scare. Drove through here a few days ago on the way to my destination, and it was, pardon the expression, but dead. It's kind of weird. This place is usually popping. You can see nobody at the hotels. Domino's looks poppin'. The Village Market. Another hotel, nobody. Not too long ago, I was complaining down here that it was too crowded. Little did I know, next time I came back here, it's like a ghost town. Speaking of ghost towns, that's a little weird. I'm just willing to bet that most of you people have never seen Moab this deserted. Maybe in the winter time, I don't know. But yeah, you guys can all go around me. I'm not ready to get a ticket here. Here's where we saw the fight. I couldn't make this up. Yeah, here we go. Why are you still talking? Knock that Connor out. Come on. Man, these guys all went into the other lane, you know, to get around me. They're all slower. This is creepy. Nobody there, nobody there. Anyway, I don't mean just to be a depressing video. I just thought it was worth documenting, and I hope that this is a rare occasion, and that in the future this will be something to laugh at, hopefully. But being here right now, I don't feel like laughing. Anyway, I did have a great adventure, and that video is going to be up. It'll be Valley of the Gods with Chris. I'm not sure of the title yet, but not sure when you're watching this, but it is April 2020 when I'm filming this. So if it's after that, check out the adventure to Valley of the Gods 2.
hon, look who I found on the road. Just meandering around, taking a piss, having a smoke, whatever.
Yeah.
So I dragged him into camp finally. He missed dinner, breakfast nearly, but we'll eat again.
It's what, Sunday now?
It's Sunday. So heading home here soon. Love you.
Thanks
Bye.
for letting me borrow it.